This is the 2026 Toyota Atlas Explorer Motorhome, a true embodiment of rugged luxury on wheels. Designed for those who seek adventure but refuse to compromise on comfort, this off-road beast is not just another motorhome. With its incredible power, 12 by 12 configuration, and military-grade build, it's engineered to take you wherever your heart desires, from the most remote wilderness to the open highway. Let's start with the exterior. This motorhome demands attention, and it deserves it. The Toyota Atlas Explorer is a true off-road warrior. With 6 massive wheels on each side, the 12 by 12 configuration ensures that no terrain is out of reach. Whether it's deep mud, rocky trails, or soft sand, the wheels grip the ground with unmatched traction. These tires aren't just built for looks. They are designed to conquer any surface, making sure you can explore even the most challenging locations without hesitation. The rugged exterior is not only practical but designed to make a statement. From the front, the motorhome is a masterpiece. The bold Toyota grille sits proudly in the center, flanked by powerful LED lights that span the width of the roof. Whether it's day or night, you'll be able to cut through the wilderness with ease. And let's not forget the tactical bumper, reinforced to withstand any obstacle you might encounter on your journey. The full LED light bar mounted on the roof, along with bumper-mounted spotlights, ensures that even the darkest forests or the deepest valleys will be illuminated, providing you with 360-degree visibility in the toughest conditions. Now, let's talk about performance, because this motorhome is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, you'll find a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine that delivers massive torque, enabling the Atlas Explorer to power through steep mountain grades, deep mud, and uneven terrain. With a weight distribution system designed to handle the toughest off-road trails, the Atlas Explorer is built for adventure and resilience. Its 4-wheel drive system, along with locking differentials, ensures that power is delivered exactly where it's needed, giving you complete confidence even in the most challenging conditions. When you climb into the driver's seat, you're immediately transported to a world of modern luxury. The Toyota Atlas Explorer cockpit is nothing short of futuristic. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with the Toyota emblem at its center, providing a touch of class. Behind the wheel, the fully digital instrument cluster offers all the information you need to keep track of your journey. From navigation to vehicle systems, everything is displayed on a crystal-clear screen, ensuring that you have all the data you need right at your fingertips. The dashboard is a work of art in itself, seamlessly integrating high-resolution displays, a large vertical touchscreen, and intuitive touch controls. The system is designed with usability in mind, ensuring that every command is just a touch away. The ambient golden lighting traces the dashboard and control panels, adding warmth and elegance to the futuristic, high-tech design. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged terrain, the cockpit ensures that every drive is a pleasure, with controls that are easy to reach and designed for minimal distraction. But let's move on from the cockpit and talk about the heart of the motorhome, the living space. Entering the living area, you're greeted by a compact yet luxurious space designed for comfort and relaxation. The seating area features low-profile modular sofas upholstered in a soft gray fabric, making the space feel cozy and inviting without compromising on style. The design is sleek, modern, and compact, ensuring that every inch is used efficiently while providing a warm and comfortable retreat after a long day on the road. At the center of the space, you'll find a minimalist black table with a brushed metal base. The large panoramic windows, framed with dark tints, allow you to enjoy stunning views while maintaining privacy and control over natural light. The kitchen area in this motorhome is just as thoughtfully designed. It's compact yet efficient, with a dark composite countertop that's easy to maintain and looks sleek. The integrated induction cooktop and sink ensure that you can cook meals even in the most remote locations. Hidden storage behind matte black cabinetry keeps everything organized, with no clutter to detract from the modern, minimalist design. Nearby, a 2-stool dining area provides a space for meals or casual seating. The stools tuck neatly under the counter when not in use, maximizing the available space. The under-cabinet gold LED lighting adds an elegant touch to the kitchen, ensuring that everything is well lit while maintaining the sleek, industrial aesthetic. Next, we move to the bedroom, which offers a peaceful retreat for rest. The bed is centrally placed, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep with its soft gray bedding. The room is compact, but the layout ensures that everything you need is within reach. Integrated side panels and shelves provide convenient storage, while subtle gold LED lighting under the bed adds warmth and tranquility to the space. The minimalist black wall panels and dark composite flooring are consistent with the motorhome's rugged, modern aesthetic. Adjacent to the bedroom, you'll find the dressing area, designed for both efficiency and luxury. The full-height wardrobes offer plenty of hanging space, with integrated LED lighting that makes it easy to see your clothing options. The vanity area, equipped with a sliding shelf and centered mirror, offers practical functionality for getting ready on the go. Gold LED lighting is integrated into the wardrobes and around the ceiling, adding a touch of elegance while ensuring the space is well lit and functional. Moving to the bathroom, it's clear that no detail was overlooked. The wet room design maximizes the compact space, featuring a toilet, sink, and shower area. The matte black walls and dark gray composite materials are both rugged and easy to maintain, while the gold LED lighting creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. The small frosted window offers privacy while allowing natural light to filter in. The functional and sleek design ensures that you have everything you need for a comfortable stay, whether you're parked on a scenic overlook or in the middle of the wilderness. The Toyota Atlas Explorer Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It combines rugged capability with luxury, offering an off-road experience like no other. With its 12 by 12 configuration, this motorhome handles any terrain, from muddy trails to rocky mountain roads. The interior, designed for both comfort and functionality, ensures that you can live in style no matter where you go. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and luxurious interior, the Toyota Atlas Explorer is the ultimate choice for those who demand both adventure and comfort. Whether you're planning an off-road expedition or a long road trip, this motorhome is built to handle it all while offering the comforts of home. Ready to take on the world? This motorhome is designed for those who refuse to compromise, combining rugged durability with high-end luxury. So, where would you take this beast first? Let us know, and hit the like button if you want to see more off-road adventures with vehicles like this.